Beloved of the universe, I welcome your spirit to attention in the name of love. And I bless you, Spirit, to come forward and receive these words of wisdom just for you. I bless you to see wisdom in the ant, being diligent in her work. I bless you to see wisdom in the tree, being generous in his existence. I bless you to see wisdom in the horse, being dignified in his efforts. I bless you to see wisdom in the dog, being faithful in her friendship. I bless you to see wisdom in the child, being carefree in her existence. I bless you to walk with the wise and become what you have seen.